seems strange. I mean, the reason we're doing this is because I had a soft compression, but it's been really, really damp, and it has been standing for some time.
My name is Tim Palmer. I fly a Jodel DR1050 out of this farm strip in East Anglia.
Okay, you want to try this for yourself?
Oh yeah, enough.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh, that, yeah,
that last one looked a bit.
You didn't put much effort into that last one, did you? Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
you can hear it just through as well.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a valve tip. Well, this is not the rings. Mind you, on this you've got to have the whole
Sticky valve. Let's see what happens. Keep it up! Sorry to have to tell you, Tim, but that was getting progressively worse.
It was, yeah.
Is everything switched off or pull it through?
Yeah, it switches are off.
How it feels.
Yeah.
This one, I think.
I didn't hear it hiss this time, though, but then it's warmer now.
to have its compression back.
Yeah.
Can you hear any hissing?
No, not that time. I
I
couldn't.
can't.
No.
It's got seems to be back and it's not hissing.
Yeah.
Maybe the lack of compression when it started has failed to plug a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, could be, couldn't it? Yeah.
You get it hot and give it a sort of a full power run or a decent mag run. See if that'll clear it up.
Okay. Yeah. So you got very spluttery there for a while.
Yeah. Sounds like well. It sounds
And the
like
interesting thing is I've got no carb heat temperature.
Would you think would that make a significant
No, I shouldn't.
leak if it came out?
Well, I mean, it's a connection, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's purely an electrical connection onto a probe.
I mean, the probe is in the carburettor.
Yeah.
The probe. Yeah. No, that wouldn't make any difference.
Yeah.
You might have just fouled a plug there while it was running without compression at the start there.
Yeah.
It's running at high power.
Okay. I don't know if that's recording sound. Does it sound alright? Two mags. One mag. The other mag. Two mags. Seems strange. I mean, the reason we're doing this is because I had a soft compression, but it's been really damp and it has been standing for some time. But I noticed that I've got no carb heat temperature. Didn't like to go for a while, but we seem to be reasonably okay now. I think I'm going to call it a day, because I am making a heck of a mess on the ground. It's sounding a little bit agricultural, but she does sometimes. Okay, well, we'll call that a day. I think it's okay. I'll get Duncan to give it a pull again.
All off.
Everything's off, yeah. Okay, good.
It's all back up. Did it clear up then? You
Yeah.
were doing the 1 and the 2.
Yeah.
It sounded fine then.
Yeah. No, it was okay. The only thing, as I say, carb heat temperature thing isn't working.
Well, that'd just be
But-
something come off. But they've been puddling around behind the panel. We could have.
Yeah, but well, I suppose we haven't actually flown it since then, have we?
No.
So it could be that. It could also be, I mean, you look how damp the hangar is.
Mm.
And everything was damp and horrible. But engine wise, she seemed to be doing okay.
It sounded fine that second run. It was like we ran it over there.
Okay, we will push away if you don't mind.
So hopefully just a bit of
Yeah.
digging into the ground.
2, 3, 4. So that's 4 good cylinders. Much better. The reason I haven't test flown it today, having checked out that soft cylinder, was the fact that, as you can see, just simply taxiing around, it's marked the grass like mad. And what's more, this is the dry part of the airfield. So yeah, disappointing. Duncan's busy raking where the badgers and rabbits have been, and Rob is flying his drone. Don't think you can actually see it on the shot, but it's there